This is my very first time making an overnight oats. What's up guys, it's Kyle and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, come and join me as I make overnight oats. So these are my ingredients. We have the whole rolled oats from Medina. And we have this unsalted healthy mixed nuts. We also have the chia seeds. So I actually got these 3 from TikTok shop. I think it's around 28 ringgit for the whole set. And of course we have the Greek yogurt. The brand is from Sunglow, Reda Lemak. So this is 900 grams and I got it for 17 ringgit. And for added protein, we have the peanut butter from Skippy. So I got the creamy version. So this one is 16 ringgit. So this is our ingredients. And I got this cute little jars from TikTok shop. This is 5 ringgit each, so I got 3 of them. So these are our ingredients. So let's go and make our overnight oats. So guys, I forgot to show pala that we will also be using the full cream milk. The brand is Good Day. So this one is 7 ringgit and 90 cents. So let's start assembling. And we will be using the measuring cup. This is 1/2 cup. And this one is 1 tablespoon for the chia seeds. Let's open the rolled oats. This one. This one is already a good buy now, guys. Because for less than 30 ringgit, you can actually get the whole rolled oats. And then maganda naman yung ano niya, texture. So I'll just fully open it and then later on I will transfer them to a container. I'm gonna open the jars. These are cute little jars for just 5 ringgit. So if you guys know me, I am a Filipino expat currently living here in Malaysia for 4 years. So as an expat here, we need to be very smart in terms of our grocery per week. So per week, I'm allotting 100 ringgit for my grocery. That should already be enough. And you know the good thing at work, there are employees who are selling food for just 10 ringgit per meals. So sometimes if I'm very lazy to do meal prep, I just order from the people selling food at the office. And it's already a good buy because it saves you a lot of time and effort and it's very affordable because for just 10 ringgit, you already get a rice meal. And the funny part is they actually have like a subscription, like for the whole week. If you avail 5 meals, instead of paying 50 ringgit, you will just pay 45 ringgit. So it's a good save. I'll just open everything. This is the mixed nuts. So for now, I'll just put this as the toppings. But in the future, I'll buy the berries, blueberries and ano nga yung pula? Cranberries. Basta berries, guys. Now we also have the very healthy chia seeds. You know guys, it's really amazing that we have shops here in Malaysia that sells a set like this. So hindi ka na mahihirapan to find ingredients. We're using the measuring cup. This is 1/2 cup. So we'll put the rolled oats. It's actually my first time doing this, guys. So every time I browse on my TikTok, I actually crave this. Let's put 1/2 cup each. Syempre may natapon. I'll just clean that later. 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup. Oh my god. And then 1/2 cup. Ang kalat. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll just clean that later. I think yung bunganga kasi ng jars are so maliit. And then we have the chia seeds. We'll put 1 tablespoon per jar. One, 2, 3. I think we'll be able to prepare 10 jars of, what do you call this? 10 jars of overnight oats using this. We have the milk. This is my favorite brand of milk here in Malaysia because it's very creamy. Although it's not the healthiest version because it has a lot of sugar. I think for this serving it has 10 grams, 10.8 grams of sugar. So we'll put half cup of milk per each. Sana hindi matapon. Okay, perfect. Half a cup. And then half cup. Perfection. And of course, we will be adding our toppings. Oh, I'll add peanut butter muna pala and Greek yogurt. And now let's add our peanut butter. So I'll just put 1 tablespoon each. Ihuli na natin yung... Let's put the Greek yogurt last. Ano? Ayun malaglag. Okay. Siguro mas magandang gamitin natin dito ay yung runny na peanut butter. Kasi Skippy is very creamy. The only downside, guys, if you're doing this is you need to do a lot of dishes after. But the good thing is, at least you'll have a very good high protein breakfast every day that you can just simply store in the fridge. This one is the Greek yogurt. Nice. Oops. So let's put 2 tablespoons each. I hope it's good. It's my first time doing this. 2 tablespoons each. And then we'll be mixing them. And add the toppings. Mix muna natin siya. Sobrang feeling ko kulang siya sa milk. I think we don't have enough milk. So maybe I'll add a little bit more. But let's mix them all together so that the ingredients will be combined. Medyo ano lang, hassle lang yung part ng pag-mixing, guys. Kasi nga medyo buo-buo. Smells so good, huh? Smells really good. This should be packed up high protein. And this should make you feel full for a long hours. Haluin natin siya na very, very light. I'll add a bit of milk pa later once we mix it very well. Kakangawit maghalo, guys. Let's add more milk, a bit. Ayoko kasi yung medyo dry. So the tip is make sure that the milk is above the ingredients. Para hindi siya super dry because so that it's not gonna be super dry because we will be putting it in the fridge. So we don't want to have like an oatmeal gelato or whatnot. Looks delicious. I'm so excited to try this tomorrow. But I just have a question, guys. It's called overnight oats, right? What if you make in batches? Like this one, I'm making 3 jars, right? So it's not gonna sit in the fridge for overnight. So this is gonna sit in the fridge for 3 days. So can we still call it an overnight oats? You let me know in the comment section. So I'm done mixing everything. So all the ingredients are all combined together. So for our final touch, I'm just gonna add the mixed nuts. So the mixed nuts includes like the cashew nuts. I think they also have like dried fruits, cranberry and pumpkin seeds, almond seeds, and this one I forgot what it's called. It's nice, amazing. I'm getting a new spoon for our mixed nuts. This is like the 3rd spoon I'm using right now. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of dishes later. I just put like 2 tablespoons each, so that it's gonna be packed up protein and will be full for a long time. Okay? So this is our finished product. This is my very first time making an overnight oats using a very budget-friendly ingredients. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, let it sit there for like 24 hours. Overnight na, diba? Alam nga naman, we'll let it sit for 12 hours and then hindi na yun overnight. Charot. Oh my god. Just cover them and put them in the fridge. This one is annoying. We should be good to go. So for now, I'll make 3. Then maybe later on, I'll make more if I get more jars like this. So put it in the fridge. Actually, I can pull it out. There you go. These are my eggs. This is the aftermath. I need to wash a lot of dishes and clean the floor because we got some rolled oats on the floor, rolling. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to copy the recipe, I'll put it in the description box below, but it should be pretty easy. Just follow the steps in the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Ciao!